Imagine a quiet afternoon, sunlight streaming through your window, and a gentle breeze rustling the leaves outside. In your hands, a warm cup of herbal tea steams softly, inviting you to slow down, take a breath, and savor the moment. For many seniors, these peaceful rituals become not just a pleasure, but an essential part of daily self-care. Herbal teas, with their delicate flavors and time-honored traditions, offer far more than comfort. They provide a wealth of health benefits, supporting relaxation, digestion, and overall well-being as we move into our golden years. Let's journey through the world of herbal teas, exploring the best choices for seniors over 60, and discover why these soothing brews have been cherished for centuries. From calming chamomile to invigorating ginger, each cup tells a story, one of nature's gentle power to heal, restore, and bring joy to everyday life. Picture yourself in a garden surrounded by blooming herbs. The history of herbal teas begins in such places, where ancient healers and wise grandmothers alike would gather leaves, flowers, and roots, infusing them in hot water to create remedies for body and mind. Today, modern research confirms much of what tradition has taught. Herbal teas are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and bioactive compounds that support health in ways both subtle and profound. For seniors, these benefits are especially meaningful. As we age, our bodies and minds undergo changes that can bring challenges. Sleep may become elusive, digestion more sensitive, and stress harder to shake off. Herbal teas offer a natural, gentle way to address these needs without the harsh side effects often found in medications. Let's begin with a timeless favorite: chamomile. Imagine the tiny, daisy-like flowers, their sweet aroma filling the air. Chamomile tea has long been prized for its calming effects, making it a perfect evening companion. For seniors struggling with insomnia or restless nights, a cup of chamomile before bed can ease tension and promote deeper, more restful sleep. Scientific studies suggest that chamomile contains apigenin, a compound that binds to certain receptors in the brain, reducing anxiety and supporting relaxation. For those dealing with mild aches, chamomile's anti-inflammatory properties can also offer gentle relief. Next, consider the spicy warmth of ginger tea. Peel back the rough skin of a ginger root and you'll release a burst of invigorating fragrance. Ginger has been used for thousands of years to aid digestion and soothe nausea. For seniors, this is especially valuable, as digestive issues often become more common with age. A cup of ginger tea after meals can help calm the stomach, reduce bloating, and even support healthy circulation. The natural compounds in ginger, like gingerol and shogal, have been shown to reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. If you're looking for a refreshing and heart-healthy option, hibiscus tea is a vibrant choice. Its deep ruby red color hints at its powerful antioxidants, which can help lower blood pressure and support cardiovascular health. Studies have found that regular consumption of hibiscus tea may reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, an important consideration for many seniors. The tart, cranberry-like flavor is both invigorating and thirst-quenching, making it a delightful option for warm afternoons or as a caffeine-free alternative to black tea. Peppermint tea, with its crisp, cooling aroma, is another staple in the senior wellness toolkit. Whether sipped hot or cold, peppermint tea can help ease digestive discomfort, relieve bloating, and soothe irritable bowels. For those who experience headaches or mild tension, the menthol in peppermint acts as a natural muscle relaxant, encouraging both clarity and calm. Some seniors also find that peppermint tea can help reduce feelings of fatigue, acting as a mild pick-me-up without the jitters of caffeine. For those seeking a gentle boost to the immune system, elderberry tea is a wise choice. Elderberries are rich in vitamin C and flavonoids, which help defend against colds and other seasonal ailments. While elderberry syrup is often recommended during the colder months, a warm cup of elderberry tea offers similar benefits in a comforting form. Regular use may help shorten the duration of colds and support overall immune resilience. Rooibos tea, sometimes called red bush tea, hails from South Africa and is naturally caffeine-free. Its mild, slightly sweet flavor makes it a favorite among those sensitive to stronger brews. Rooibos is packed with antioxidants, particularly aspalathin and nothofagin, which help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. For seniors managing conditions like arthritis or high cholesterol, Rooibos provides a gentle, everyday way to support long-term health. Lemon balm tea, with its bright, citrusy notes, is a wonderful choice for those looking to lift their mood and ease anxiety. Lemon balm belongs to the mint family and is known for its calming effects on the nervous system. Research suggests that regular consumption can help reduce stress, improve cognitive function, and even support memory. An important consideration as we age. Many seniors find that a cup of lemon balm tea in the afternoon helps smooth the transition between daily activities and evening relaxation. For those managing blood sugar, cinnamon tea offers both flavor and function. Cinnamon has been studied for its ability to improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood glucose levels. A warm cup of cinnamon tea, especially when blended with apple or other spices, can satisfy cravings for sweetness without added sugar. This makes it a wise choice for seniors watching their diet or managing diabetes. Let's not forget green tea, a classic beloved around the world. While not technically an herbal tea since it's made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, green tea is often included in wellness routines for its remarkable health benefits. Rich in catechins and other antioxidants, green tea supports heart health, brain function, and even bone strength. For seniors, regular green tea consumption has been linked to reduced risk of cognitive decline and improved metabolic health. Its gentle caffeine content provides a mild energy lift without overstimulation. Of course, variety is key. No 2 days are the same, and your needs may change with the seasons or your own schedule. Perhaps you start your morning with a cup of green tea to awaken your senses. Enjoy peppermint after lunch to aid digestion, and wind down in the evening with chamomile or lemon balm. The ritual of preparing tea, boiling water, steeping leaves, inhaling the aroma, creates moments of mindfulness, inviting you to pause and reconnect with yourself. As you consider these options, remember that herbal teas are not just about what's in your cup, they're about the experience. The simple act of brewing tea can be a form of self-care, a way to honor your body and mind. Whether you enjoy your tea alone, with a good book, or while catching up with a friend, each cup is an opportunity to nurture your well-being. When choosing herbal teas, quality matters. Look for organic, non-GMO sources whenever possible to ensure your tea is free from pesticides and additives. Bulk loose-leaf teas often provide better flavor and potency than pre-packaged bags, but convenience is also important. Choose what works best for your lifestyle. If you are taking medications or have specific health conditions, consult your healthcare provider before introducing new herbal teas, as some herbs may interact with certain prescriptions. Let's turn for a moment to the stories of those who have embraced herbal teas in their golden years. Imagine Helen, age 72, who struggled with restless nights for years. At the suggestion of her daughter, she began ending each evening with a cup of chamomile and a few minutes of quiet reflection. Within weeks, her sleep improved, and she found herself waking more refreshed. Or consider Robert, age 68, who experienced frequent indigestion after meals. He discovered ginger tea and soon made it a habit to sip a cup after lunch, finding relief and a renewed enjoyment of food. These stories are not unique. They are echoed in the experiences of seniors across the country, each finding comfort, healing, and pleasure in the simple ritual of tea. Herbal teas offer gentle support for the challenges of aging, reminding us that wellness is not just about fixing problems, but about creating daily habits that nourish body, mind, and spirit. As you explore the world of herbal teas, remember that your preferences matter most. Taste is personal, and what soothes one person may invigorate another. Try different blends, experiment with flavors, and listen to your body's feedback. You might discover a new favorite in the floral notes of hibiscus, the earthy undertones of rooibos, or the zesty kick of ginger. Allow yourself the joy of discovery. Each cup is a small adventure, an invitation to savor life's simple pleasures. In the end, the best herbal tea for you is the one that brings comfort, health, and happiness to your day. Whether you seek relaxation, digestive support, immune strength, or simply a moment of peace, the world of herbal teas is rich with possibilities. So, the next time you crave a break from the hustle of daily life, reach for the kettle, choose your favorite blend, and let the soothing power of herbs remind you that every stage of life holds its own unique blessings. Here's to your health, your happiness, and the many beautiful moments ahead, one cup at a time.